Everyone, today we are going to see a pattern called LeftPascal's triangle. The pattern is going to look like this. Let me explain this pattern. It is going to start with 1 star and it is going to increase 2 star, 3 star, 4 star. At this point it is going to again reduce like the above pattern 3, 2, 1. Okay. Instead of solving this pattern directly, we are going to split this pattern into two different patterns so that we can, it is a kind of simplifying a complex into a small two simpler things, so that if we write a logic, we can write a code separately for this and we can combine this to get. Okay, we are just making the thing so simple. If you see here, this pattern, right, I'm just going to cut the first half of it, from here, the 4 3 2 1. It is called increasing pattern. So starting with 1 star, it is increasing to 4 star. Now I'm going to consider the decreasing pattern also. See, if you see my mouse pointer here, from again 4 star. So here I am considering this 4 star for 2 times, but in the output we will reduce it to 1. Okay, and this is just to simplify. Here if you see 4 star, this is how it looks like. 3 star, 2 star, 1 star. Okay, I'll show you how it is going to look like if I combine this. See, this is how it is going to look like, similar to LeftPascal's triangle, except there is no pointed edge in this corner, right? So we have to remove one row. Okay, that we will resolve it. Before getting to the program, we need to remember few things. This we have seen in the previous video as well, and it is same for here as well. So row count, we need row count. So first we will consider this as one program, other one this as one program. In this program we need 1 row, 2 row, 3 row and 4 row, and column count is 1 column, 2 column, 3 column and 4 column. Okay, and here the pattern is same or different. Here the pattern is same. Pattern means it is all, everywhere it is star, nothing else we need to print, right? And pattern count relation with either row or column, we know it is increasing pattern because it starts with 1 star and ends with 4 star. And for each row, for example, in row 1 you need 1 star. For each row count you need that much of star here. If it is a row 2, you need 2 stars. So it's all, the condition is going to deal with the row. And again in the decreasing pattern, the condition is going to deal with the row count and is going to decrease. Okay, that we will see. And let me go to the program directly. And there are two patterns already we used. One is decreasing pattern, other one is increasing pattern. See, this is the program. We are going to reuse the same logic. That's why I'm going to write a problem here itself. Let me minimize this. Sorry. And let me write a program called static void. It is called left draw LeftPascal's triangle. Okay, and I'm going to get the same row count here so that this method can be called from here. Okay, that's it. Now I'll go to the pattern again. Thus first we need to do this. This is called what? It is starting with 1 star and it is increased to 4 star, which is called increased star pattern. So we'll go to the program and directly we'll copy this. Okay, or I'll call this here. Instead I'll just copy paste it here. And let me first print this. And now I want to comment this. So just print the first pattern. See, it is going to be like 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. All we need is here 4. Let's be in 5 and later I'll show you the result for 4. And then what we have to do is we have to draw this decreasing pattern, meaning it starts with 4 star and 3 star, 2 star, 1 star. Also we have a pattern called decreasing pattern. I'll copy this. Okay, I'm not reusing the method because I need to slightly modify, right? Because when we combine these two, there are two duplicate row. I have to reduce it. That's why I don't want to edit the existing problem. So let me minimize this, and this is how it is going to be. I'll run this. See, it's more or less same to LeftPascal's triangle, except this, right? For this we need to reduce one count of row. For that I'm just reducing the count of the row here. Okay, one count. If I reduce this one count, I'll get this pointed edge. This is what the change I made. Okay, but if you see, all I didn't even write any code. These code are from the previous videos. I just copy paste, I just reuse the pattern. That's all I'm doing. So all you need to do is please understand the very basic pattern. With that you can understand and you can make any other complex problem. And if you see here, I'll go to the pattern. For example, if you're getting any other complex pattern like a diamond, like a hill, always you have to split the problem into few other triangles. Then you can write a for loop for each of this and just combine it. That's all I did here. Hope you all learned it. And this is a very small trick, with this decreasing and increasing pattern, that you can make any pattern. That is a trick here. And hope you all learned it, and thank you so much.